Hello and welcome to everyone. My name is Atef Algazer. Today we are going to talk about electric current and Ohm's law. Electric current and Ohm's law. What means of electric current? It's a flow of electric charges through a conducting material. If we suppose a copper, we have 3 electrons. These 3 electrons move random motion in all direction. The velocity equal 10 power 6 meter per second, 1 million meter of second. This motion is in all direction, random motion. This motion in all direction. And we have not current in this case. If we connected this wire by battery, the electron move in this direction. In this case, the charge is become directionality. We have in this case current. If we disconnect the battery, we haven't current. When we connect the battery, we have a current. And the direction of electron in this A direction. But the number of electron, if we have 1 cubic meter of electron, of 1 cubic meter of copper, the number of electron in 1 cubic meter of copper equal 1029 electron, free electron. If we divided this cubic to wires, for example 1000 wires, the number of free electrons in each wire equal 10 power 29 over 10 power 3 equal 26. Each wire of copper contains 100,000 of billion electrons. Hence, the definition of electric current charge, it's a flow of electric charge through a conducting material. Flow from flood. Enormous number of electrons. The direction of current. It is 2 directions of the current. Conventional direction of electric current. The current direction is from the positive pole to the negative pole. The actual direction of the current, the electron's direction is from the negative pole to the positive pole outside electric source. What's the difference between actual and conventional? What of them is correct and what is incorrect or right. Battery, a meter to measure the intensity of current, series, resistance. This is the conventional directional from positive outside the battery and inside from negative to positive pole. From a long time, scientists believe the positive charge which is moving. The moving charge is positive. Before Thomson discovered the electrons, when Thomson in 1897 discovered the electron is negative charge. And in fact, the moving charge is the negative charge. From negative pole to positive pole. This is the actual direction. The black is the actual direction. The red is the conventional direction. For example, if we have a plate of eggs, and space in the middle of this plate. If we want to arrange and transfer the edge from this position to another, يبقى هنا eggs and this base and eggs space, eggs space, eggs space. One person notice the eggs move left and another notice the space move right. In this case, then both of them are correct. Both of them are correct. If we talk about the eggs transfer move left, space move right, this both is correct. Hence, the conventional direction of electric current, if we suppose this charge is positive, this is the conventional direction, اللي هو red, right. If we talk about electrons, negative electrons, يبقى هنا actual direction, right. يبقى both right direction. We are talk about the electric current intensity. Electric current intensity I equal Q over T. Q over T. Current intensity I, it's the quantity of electricity passing through cross section of a conductor in 1 second. Coulomb per second. Electric current intensity. Measuring unit of electric current intensity ampere and equal coulomb per second. Coulomb the measuring unit of charge and T measuring unit second. quantity of electricity equal number of electrons times the charge of the electrons. This number, this is a constant Coulomb. The charge of electrons, number of electrons. Hence, I, electric current intensity equal N times E over T. What's the definition of ampere? It's the electric current intensity when 1 ampere, 1 coulomb, 1 second. Definition of ampere, it is the electric current intensity due to flow of quantity of electricity of 1 coulomb through the cross sectional of conductor in 1 second. In 1 second. What meant by the electric current passing in a conductor is equal 10 ampere. يبقى I equal Q over T. 10 ampere يبقى 10 coulomb 1 second. أقول له بقى it means that the quantity of electric charge passing through the cross sectional of the conductor in 1 second equal 10 coulomb 10 coulomb. يبقى لما يقول لي what when the electric current passing in a conductor equal 10 ampere, it means that the quantity of electric charge passing through the cross section of the conductor in 1 second equal 10 coulomb. Example 1, calculate the electric current. يبقى I intensity passing in a conductor with which is due to the flow of quantity of electricity of 15 coulomb Q through cross section of the conductor in at time period 3 seconds. يبقى دي T. يبقى هنا T I the solution يبقى I unknown Q equal 15 coulomb T equal 3 seconds. The relation I equal Q over T, Q 15 over 3, 5 ampere. The second example, what is the number of electron? يبقى number of electron passing through a conductor cross sectional a certain cross sectional area of a conductor with a period of 1 second. يبقى T. If the electric current intensity passing in the circuit 20 ampere I and the electron charge يبقى DE. يبقى N unknown time 1 second I 20 ampere E charge of electron how much 6 times negative 19 I equal NE over T leads to N equal IT over E. I 20 1 second 1.6 19 I equal cross bracket 1.25 times 1020 number of electrons. The type of current. The first, direct current. When we draw a relation between intensity of the current and time, this type of current is constant in direction and magnitude. The second, alternating current. When we draw a relation between intensity and time, this type of current is variable in intensity and direction. يبقى هنا يبقى the type of currents, two type of current. Direct current, this current is constant in the magnitude. For example, 4 ampere after any time, the magnitude, the direction in the same direction, but alternating current is variable in magnitude and direction. The elements of circuit in simple circuit: battery, negative, positive, switch, ammeter, rheostat, variable resistance, constant resistance, voltmeter. This is simple circuits which constitute of battery. This battery is responsible to push the current in this direction. This direction is conventional direction. Conventional direction or actual direction is both is correct, because intensity of current I is scalar physical quantity. We need magnitude only. In this direction, conventional direction, the current charge the battery push the current in this direction. Ammeter measure the intensity of current. Voltmeter measure the voltage difference between the two terminals of a resistance. A switch allow to pass the current or don't pass the current in the circuit. This is the elements of a circuit. This is a type of current. Coulomb, definition of Coulomb, it is the quantity Coulomb I equal Q over T. Means times extremes, يبقى Q equal I times T. When we definition Coulomb, يبقى measuring unit of Q1 Coulomb equal 1 ampere times 1 second. يبقى Coulomb, it's the quantity of electricity that when passes through cross sectional of conductor in a period of 1 second, it produces electric current of 1 ampere. Potential difference. What is the meaning of potential difference? Potential difference between 2 points. When we resistance, heater, anything, lamp, A, B, the direction of current, conventional direction. The potential difference between 2 points, it's the work done to push the charge between 2 points A and B. A is high level, B is low level. The difference level between A and B. When we push the charge, we need to done work. يبقى the potential difference between 2 points, it is the work done of 1 joule to transfer a quantity of charge of 1 coulomb between 2 points. يبقى the potential difference between 2 points, it is the work done of 1 joule to transfer a quantity of charge of 1 coulomb between 2 points. لحظة. Voltage difference equal work done to transfer 1 coulomb. What meaning that the voltage difference? What meaning that? The voltage difference between 2 points equal 10 volt. In this case voltage difference 10 volt يبقى هنا 10 جول 1 coulomb. يبقى اقول له ايه بقى؟ it is the work done to transfer 1 coulomb between 2 points equal